Ito talaga yung scene ni Alexa na hirap makamove on, mga sweethearts, habang pinapanood yung scene na ito sa PPP. Sobrang emotional. Pang episode 8 na nga, pero ito yung scene na sobrang the most painful cry is the silent one. The feeling of being all alone, Alexa acting flaws that made us cry. Emotionally heavy scene. Alexa is a versatility, super excited.